Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to email a folder as an attachment in Outlook in 2026. Now you need to first of all understand that Outlook can't attach a full folder directly, but there is a simple way to send it properly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, on your computer you need to go to that particular folder which you want to basically send. After right clicking on it, you just have to basically compress that particular folder in the zip file. So once that folder is available in the zip file, it will turn into an attachment or a document, and now it will be very easy for you to send this particular folder because now you have changed it to the zip file. So here, come on your Outlook application, or you can also open Outlook in your web browser. Over here, click on the option of new mail. Now click on the option of this body, click on the option of the attach file, click on the option of browse this computer. So from your computer you will have to browse that particular zip file which you have just created. So once you have done that, it will come here in your attachment, and now you can send this folder very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.